Welcome back to RR Corporates. Now we are discussing on MSME compliances. 22,730 crore MSME dues pending over 45 days. This was presented in Lok Sabha on 21st July 2025. We'll see the legal framework. Companies Act 2013 under MSME 2006 and Income Tax Act. Form MSME-1. Under the Companies Act 2013, although there is no direct provision for the settlement of dues to creditors like MSMEs, Section 405 empowers the central government to collect statistical information from companies. Using this power, the MCA notified Form MSME-1 via notification number SO368E dated 22nd January 2019. This form is applicable to specified companies that procure goods or services from micro or small enterprises and have outstanding dues to such suppliers for more than 45 days from the date of acceptance or deemed acceptance. So such companies are required for MSME-1 with the ROC twice in a year. So by 30th April for dues as on 31 March and 31st October for the dues as on 30th September. Actually, this specification later modified. This obligation was recently re-notified again through notification number SO2751E dated 15th July 2024 to keep the requirement for filing of MSME-1. So this is updated and enforced. Penalties for non-compliance with MSME-1. If a company fails to file MSME-1 or furnishes incomplete or incorrect data, under Section 405(4) of Companies Act 2013, the penalties are fixed penalty 20,000 for the company and every officer in default. In case of continuing default, an additional 1,000 rupees per day applies. So the total penalty, however, is capped at 3 lakh rupees. The MCA's latest data on pending MSME dues in response to unstalled question number 177 raised in Lok Sabha. The Minister of State for Corporate Affairs shared official data from the latest MSME-1 filings. In the key highlights from October 2024 to March 2025, MSME-1 returns, a total of 46,562 companies reported dues to MSMEs. Of these, around 61,770 crores was pending for less than 45 days. Because as per this latest notification, the reporting requirement also changed. So the pending for less than 45 days was 61,770 as per the filings, and staggering 22,730 crore was overdue for more than 45 days. Clearly violating MSME Act because this is overdue above 45 days. This data reflects only reported dues. The actual unpaid amount would be even higher than this amount, considering companies that haven't filed MSME-1. So the redressal platforms, we will discuss about Samadhaan portal to help MSMEs resolve payment disputes. The Ministry of MSME launched Samadhaan portal on 30th October 2017. There is a website, samadhan.msme.gov.in. So this portal enables MSMEs to file grievances against the buyers, track application status, and escalate matters to the Micro and Small Enterprises Facilitation Councils, MSEFCs. These are all facilitation councils. As of 17th July 2025, pending applications on Samadhaan portal involve a grouping of rupees 22,363.04 crores. This was pending as of 17th July 2025. Facilitation councils, MSEFCs. So these facilitation councils to deal with delayed payments, the government has set up micro and small enterprises facilitation councils across states and union territories. 161 facilitation councils are now operational across India. States with multiple councils include Delhi, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Punjab, Rajasthan, Telangana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, and Jammu and Kashmir. So total 161 facilitation councils are now operational across India. So these councils operate under MSMED Act 2006 and help MSMEs in conciliation and arbitration of delayed payment cases and fast-tracking resolutions. Enforcing timeline under Section 15 of MSMED Act, Section 43BH of Income Tax Act Amendment. So one of the most impactful changes came through this act, this Income Tax Act. Any payment to MSMEs beyond the allowed time under Section 15 of MSMED Act, usually 45 days, will not be allowed as a business deduction unless the payment is actually made. So the provision has forced the companies to pay MSMEs faster or face loss of tax deductions in their P&L accounts. This is a huge compliance driver for timely payment to MSMEs. Trade receivables discounting system, TReDS. There is another major initiative in the TReD platform, an electronic system launched to help MSMEs to get instant liquidity against the receivables. The government has mandated all central public sector enterprises, CPSEs, and all companies with turnover of 250 crore or more to register on TReDS and enable MSMEs to discount their bills through third-party financiers. This is another revolution. So the conclusion is MSME is actively monitoring MSME dues. MCA is actively monitoring MSME dues through Form MSME-1. MCA is actively monitoring through Form MSME-1. Non-reporting companies face strict penalties. 22,730 crore rupees in dues have been reported pending beyond 45 days as per latest filings. So the government has reinforced grievance redressal through Samadhaan, MSEFCs, facilitation councils, Section 43BH of Income Tax Act, and TReDS platform. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and please hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest updates. We have two channels, RR Corporates, another channel, RR Legal Talks. Thank you.